Today we will learn how to animate video clips with the help of motion adjustments in Premiere Pro. To get started, I added few clips to my timeline in Premiere Pro. First, click on Video Clip. So Effect Control panel will open. You can adjust position horizontally and vertically. Adjust the scale. Click on Uniform Scale so you can adjust scale width and height. Then adjust the rotation. Anchor point. Then we have opacity so we can make video clip transparent. Now we will see how to animate video. Adding key at the position and scale. Keep scale 0 at start and 100 at the end. Adjusting positions because I messed up the position before. OK, for fresh animation, let's delete it. And adding the video clip again. Adding key at position and scale. First, adding keys at the end without messing with values. At the starting, decreasing the values of scale. I would like to keep it at 0. It's too slow. Drag the ending keys little close. So it will be little faster than before. Now add keys to the opacity. Keep it as it is at the end. At start, decrease the value. Let's make it little natural. Adding keys to scale. Keep scale value 100 at start. Then at the end, increase the value. Keep it little away from first key. To make it little smooth, right-click on key, then select Easy Out. So it will make animation smoother than before. Let's animate one more video clip. Select the clip. Go to the Effect Control panel. Add key to the scale. Set key at the start without messing with values. Then increase the value at the end. Keep it little away from first key. Select keys, right-click on it. Then select Easy Out, or you can use Easy In. To make animation little smooth than before, I want to add keys to the position as well. Set key at the start without messing with values. Then at the end, adjust position at the left side. Again, select keys, right-click on it. Then select Easy Out or use Easy In. And it's done. Thanks for watching.